Hi, lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How una dey, my correct people? Yes, so I don't carry another story come give you now for inside life.
Sure. And I have the picture in my phone for me to prove to people that you have been playing with everybody's life. So now come on the 5th week, me and my children come travel go Nigeria. So I will travel. I carry taxi to travel because when they come Germany, not tell me say bring car, but carry car, go hide down. So I come carry taxi to go Hamburg, travel go Nigeria. As I reach, no, he can't get opportunity to still enter my phone. As he enter my phone, he can't see chat where I chat with my friends, which is normal friends. He can't save all those chats. He can't save my voice record the way me and Percy record give each other. So he can't save those things. As I reach Nigeria, I can't begin to narrate one of my friends, the boy named Imudia. He they call the boy Destiny Agayere, but me know the boy Benin based on me and the boy grow for the same street. So he can't begin to send, as he collect those chats and those things finish, he can't block the boy for my phone. He can't delete the boy number. So as I reach Nigeria, he can't send me message. And me bonoma me na so me carry ma go Nigeria go marry. Na so me carry ma go follow him children go Nigeria go do marriage. This are the cause they send the boy picture, they send the boy mama picture, they send the boy children picture. Like the thing was getting too much. Like I say, which one be I carry ma go Nigeria go marry? Even if I carry ma go Nigeria go marry, wetin be your problem? You woman get belle for you. That's the third pregnancy which you wanted to hide from me again. But just because I use sense, I find out say this woman get belle. The first pregnancy, the first woman, the first pikin wey you get, I was not aware of it. You bought the second one, I was not aware. Now the third one, you wanted to hide it from me too. So I now find out say you get belle. After the quarrel, everything, it cost me. I mean, I can say, okay, I don't carry my children go see mama, because he tell me say if I carry children, no. When the problem dey happen, I can say me go meet your mama. Na Nigeria dey so. May your man look me for her. May your man tell me wetin I do now. Because na yetana me me who were. Now he won't come reply me na voice note. His voice dey with me. He say if me carry man, if me use aware abomination leg, make me not carry enter in mama house. So adulterous woman, make me not carry enter in mama house. If I carry enter in mama house, as he come tell me that one, I come tell mama say I know they carry my children go anywhere. My one multi man, I will regret. I say me you carry my children go that house, I will not. His sister can't call me. That one call they try to talk to me. At least leave him. Now I say, mama, I know they go. Now I say, if you listen to your brother voice note, I know what carry me and me. Because those things where they accuse me of, you are accusing me of committing adultery. When it be like, you don't see me see anything. Understand? So now come out. After 1 month, we can't come. As we can't come, before I come, he go report me to social. He said that's why I carry children go house. You know they are aware of the children. Say me carry children go house. Saying they give me money. In they do everything. As I all call the next day, now I receive that letter. Now I come out, now I go social. As I they go social, now I carry my children for nobody. So as I reach social, now I call tell them, say, see why I come on. I can't go after, I can't go meet the woman. Then the woman say yes. Say he can't report, say I carry children go. Now I ask social, say no be holiday time. The woman say yes. I don't get right to carry my children travel. The woman say yes. So we call it. As he come see, I say, social no green mine now. Meanwhile, for my city for here, you don't narrate me, give everybody, Now so I carry children, go Nigeria, go marry, Now so I do this one. If those ones still see me, they'll still ask me, I say, in my young world, I not even carry man go Nigeria. This boy where they accuse of, this boy not just my friend. This one I don't even know where till they happen now. Then I now just see one of Nigeria. Maybe if I don't even kill that boy because of what he believe. So those who are not constituted, those who are say, no na here na opi tell na say a baby mama really have a. So why is he here in Germany right now? Understand? So as you can see, I say social no gree minor. Me no gree. Meanwhile, I leave am for my house before I travel. Based on, he tell me say he beg me say he no get where he wan go. He don already start work for Germany, and me know say that period he no get money, so he no get where he wan stay. Me abeg before I come back, he go find as he wan take comot. Ekeni resign reji, una go tell me okay, yari. So that period wey he take dey my house, this boy come photocopy my children birth certificate, come photocopy my name, everything, come go give lawyer. He come begin dey file case against me based on my first son wey we take dey this country, so say he is the biological father. Based on everybody wey dey this line know as everything dey be for Jenny, money go know you, because if he dey this line now, he go dey scream record, he wan go give lawyer, like kind of person. So he come go give lawyer, say now he want DNA for the first son, because the first son Orieno. I come call his sister, I cry give everybody, because wetin he wan do, he know wetin dey involved, but he just wan do am to punish me and the children. As I cry give everybody, nobody dey turn up, because I know man no take go and gbore. That make me cry heart. Me everybody help me ask her, say wetin this girl really do you? That make I call Bros Frank. Me everybody, not be only Bros Frank, everybody, so that I go know my mistake, I go know wetin I do wrong for this boy to go to that extent of bringing my child's name out. So as he don, meanwhile before I got that letter on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday. On Friday of it, this boy was in my house. If my pikin dey go school, he go dey block my pikin for road. He go dey ask her, your mama carry ma enter house, ma dey your house. My pikin go tell her say no. He go dey show my pikin make picture. If any man comment for my picture, this man go there. He go collect the man picture. He go dey show my children. My first son say, do you know this man? This man in Nigeria with you guys? And the thing was becoming something else. I know they sleep for night again, where I tell they think, say, where I for go wrong? What did I do? So as that thing don't happen, I can't need to go police station. As I go police station, I go report to police, say, see what they happen. No, before I go police station, on Monday of it, he come here, he come hide for near my house. As he hide, as my pikin dey go, now hold on, now say, you have as in you don't do the worst way you're not supposed to. I've been quiet with you for years. I've kept myself so low just because of my children for years. But say you go drag my pikin for waiting not consign now. Me as a woman, I kept quiet because of my children. But you as a man, you were not able to keep quiet because of your children. You just want to wicked my own son for doing nothing to you. Now call home now. Now call say, nah. Now today they go ban you from this street for not seeing my children, because you know if they ask my pikin unnecessary question or may 8 years, where come over your Hannah. I call hold her. I say I hold her for his shirt. My hand can't go jam me phone. No, he say he dey on phone with his baby mama where they Belgium. He can't put her for shoulder. He can't use jacket take cover her. So as me hold her, I can't hold the phone. My aunt can't go meet this phone. As I bring out the phone, I was shocked to see that he was on phone with his baby mama. I say, you want to prove to this woman that we have nothing? Really, we have nothing. But say now you and this woman, they plan out to put me and my children for trouble. That's the height of it all. I call Ola. So I Ola, I can't go meet my lawyer. I can't tell my lawyer. My lawyer can say, okay, may I go police station? May I go report? So I know, say, he go they drag me for a year, which I know. I call Bros Umewan. I say, okay, as this thing they go, so may everybody help me ask this man, wetin I do, where I take go wrong. If anybody tell me say yes, now where I go wrong be this, I go accept, say yes, I was really wrong in this place. Because the only place where I know say I go wrong was allowing him to come to my house, but it was not my fault. I just wanted my kids to see him for who he really is. Person wey dem know say na so e be, different from when I go dey use my mouth dey tell dem say na so this person be. That was why I was allowing him to come to my house. So he take advantage of those things, and at the end of it, he's not dragging my son to court just for doing nothing to him. Na so e take happen, bros. Yes, it's true. That was my only wrong, but I was doing it because of my children. Because if you carry my 8 years old stand now, you ask him about this man, he's going to have a lot to say about it. But when he was 4, when I find out about him, if I could explain to the boy now, it go dey hard for him to understand. But right now, the boy will understand that yes, this man was never, because my son asked him one day, say, why are you staying in Belgium and you're staying here? If you want to live in Belgium, why not just stay there instead of you coming here and making troubles with my mom? So if I didn't allow that boy to grow, he will not understand all those things. I know it's traumatizing, but it's not my fault. Understand? So that was what happened. So right now, if they drag me, they go court. And the paper, when they drag me, so now me give her the paper. The lawyer, when they fight me, so I introduce him to the lawyer. Man, yeah, this time is the time that I'm going to fight him. And I'm fighting with my last blood, I swear. Because you can't deceive a woman after so many years. This woman has been keeping quiet. But you choose to drag my son like it's the height of it all. Not be love, you love these children. Because if you really love these children, you will not drag them. Stan, you will not drag it. You will not drag this boy for doing nothing to you. Me as the mom, I didn't do nothing to you. Even after everything, I was being soft to you just because of the same children. I give them time. I give you chances just for these children to know your kind of person. But you choose to drag me with, whether you the planner with your baby mama, I don't know. I don't give a fuck. But just take my child out of this. That's all I beg for. If you want to drag me, yes, you can drag me. I hold my truth to the extent that I didn't know that you have a daughter. You didn't tell me. You lied to me for years. By the time I find out, I told you I'm not doing it again. And that one cause quarrel. If I send record of where this boy, they insult me of committing adultery, like seriously, I don't do polygamy. It's your choice to be a polygamy, but me, I don't want to do polygamy. I told you right from time, I don't want born for man where if I get pikin. Every single mother have their story to tell, but my story is quite different. So let me say it now that I'm still alive. Because the woman feel now say, I know, I just choose to born there. No, I don't know. If she dey hear my voice now, your boyfriend or your baby mama lied to me. The same baby mama papa go tell me say, he no want me another man take care of his children. He no want me another man take care of his children. But if they take care of another man's son, why you don't know where my own pikin for the barb hair? Then, so as this live video start, I share am with am so that he go still know. Say I share am. If I dey lie, make on talk am for years. Say this woman is lying. Yeah, I dey hear you. Now that one if I know. Never. Never. The only thing I cannot swear with is my children. I can swear with everything. Good afternoon. The time when the thing new start, I stopped sleeping with him. You understand? Okay, now that one be question where I say me everybody ask her so because I get the chat, I get the voice recording, I get everything. You say you carry drink go meet my mother. You say who via know ya boy Jamie and my mom will turn the drink.
My sister,
back.
I sure say still dey
Now
sleep
what
with am.
the
Because woman wey you know dey
wait
sleep, you
now,
no fit
madam,
judge for
madam,
last.
You not fit
madam, I
just
beg,
judge.
madam, I beg. Una well done, una good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I beg. Wait the matter when this our sister explain. Not be matter of say he sleep with another man, not sleep with another man. The main purpose will be say we need to talk to this guy. Now what did this guy want to do so? Not be matter of say sleep with another man,
Let
not
me
sleep with
even
another
the
man.
matter
You
come out.
understand so? Because why did this lady bring this thing come? So my guy, if you the hear me, why I am in it? Over here do na Benin boy.
Now
Yes.
Benin boy, partly
See,
Benin, partly
my,
Israel.
oh, okay. My brother
Mm,
might let you know. My brother might let you know. This thing what you want to do so, You want use and take damage this girl enemy, and your own children when they get born for you. Now you want to damage. Let me tell you something when you know when you need to know for this nonsense when you want to do. My sister, I want to answer one question. This guy, so you give this guy, so the children when you born for her, they give her documents.
Yes.
Okay, my guy, like say those children not give you documents. I for blame this woman well. But as far as say these children give you documents, that thing when you want to do so, they go only God make bad not happen. They go only collect the document for this woman. The people collect the children. My guy, if you don't know what you want to so, now let's people go push you for waiting. Not good though, because
Bro,
if they collect
when we talk today, he tell me, he said make me better. He said they go collect my children from me.
my sister wait, my sister
now
wait, my
wicked
let her know.
person.
My sister meet yourself. Let me talk to this guy, man to man. My guy, I use God Almighty beg you. You don't know me before. I don't know you before, but I don't see your picture. Let me let you know. This woman, whether two of you now get anything, you know, concern us. But the main thing when we need to tell you now, that thing when you want to try do, now very wrong thing, oh my guy. I better not walk up past there, go back. Because this thing when you want to so they go coming back to now, they go collect this woman document, collect those students. And one thing when you go know, if they collect government back to now, they collect those students, their head go disturb you. Not be lie, because not get anywhere where they for punish you. They give you documents. Like say they don't give you documents. Now this woman call they talk this thing. I'll join you the sort this woman. But as far as those students give you documents, my guy go back. I use God Almighty beg you. Because if you know the European law for which you want to do so, you're not supposed to move this step. Your son, so because the woman they don't already give you documents. You get another woman. You don't need to the shook her for whether the woman sleep with another man, whether not sleep with another man. Because you not pay bad price. I beg, I use God Almighty beg you. Go back for this thing when you want to sue. If you the years, my guy, I beg. We they beg you. Your son so because you know if you spoil somebody, may you expect say me your whole good for you. Say maybe you want me destroy this woman. Say maybe also you get another woman. Say that one all go good for you, my brother. The one way that woman go do you go pass the one way you want to do this woman. Oh, you go cry, you not go sit tears. Oh, I use God Almighty beg you. Come
Upa
say
Umewan.
they force you.
Upa
I beg,
Umewan.
better go back.
I
And
beg
anybody
you
when
call this man, call am. I
and
beg.
anybody when get this boy phone number, when be this boy friend, I bet gonna try to talk to this guy. Now Europe he dey, not be Nigeria. He know as European law be.
This
Mommy
guy, they see am
Eno,
for easy
Mommy
boy. They
Eno,
insult women for that
Mommy
side. I know
Eno,
this guy.
good afternoon. Mommy Eno, good afternoon. Bros, you
My
know
network
me.
misbehaviors now.
Bros, you know me.
You see
I
this
know
guy?
you. If you
I
do
know
this thing
this
to my
boy.
sister, e no good. Me, all of us don play come from Vicenza. E no good for wetin you wan do so. E no good. I dey hear wey sis dey talk since the something dey pain me. Iya woman no ego emu ma ego ria. If na another woman no go try something,
Hold on.
that
Mute your
thing wey
side.
try
Mute
make
your
give
side.
am to you.
Mother,
Mute
me
your
to say
side.
me.
Mute your side. All this one they talk, all this one no go solve the problem. You know what they do. Now I call her. After this woman report this matter to me, I have to call her. for Germany.
Okay. What's the
She report the issue. No, and then she report my issue to me and say you a lot that is going on between you and she. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, I said before I carry the matter come up for social media. Make I feel let you know. Me I feel hear your own side. You understand?
Okay.
She tell you say she don't want the relationship to be between you and she. You understand? So you guys can be doing co-parenting. You know what I mean?
I understand what you mean, my brother.
So now,
I understand.
you say you go report on, so you want to do DNA test for the first child. You understand? So now it's okay, no problem. Let me call you first. Yeah, hear your own side of the story. So that was why.
My brother, I really appreciate your. I appreciate you precisely. The basic truth is everything which is tell you so is a false accusation. You understand? They say, according to what you said, say she don't want a relationship. Me myself, I not be handicap. You understand? If woman don't want a relationship, you go tell the man now, or the matter will come become families affairs.
Yeah.
The basic truth is this is all about cheating. This is not all about co-parenting. I don't want a relationship. I've known this girl for, if I'm not mistaken, like a decade plus now. Her attitude of cheating don't fool my neck, my brother. Before I say you want to go do DNA for picking, there must be something that transpire over the whole issue. You understand?
Yeah.
So as I follow you the talk, so the matter the court regarding me and she and my child. She got 2 boys from me.
Yeah.
Since I know this woman, my brother, she has been cheating around me. Understand?
Yeah.
She has been doing all these things without no reason. Even come reach my own children when it be say my woman born for me, my 2 women born for me. I don't go fit there as I did life, so my brother never die. Woman go dey do some certain things when she our forefathers we no good. Woman go dey do those kind character dey follow you as a man. Accommodation.
Of course.
So if I deal with her, if you want to tell me something, I hear you.
I said, of course.
Yeah, if I deal with her, I call my children when you get Belgium. They are communicating with my boys for you. This is the if it become a problem. At that time, you want to say, may they go eat. At that time, you want to say, may they go back. At that time, you want all sorts of different excuses. You want to scatter my children for you. You understand? So she will tell you where she sleep. Woman leave me for house, as I dey tell you so, my brother. You leave me for house, you carry man go Africa. Is it done?
You leave for abroad, carry me go after Nigeria.
You leave me for house, as I'm telling you, you leave me for abroad, for inside room. My own house where my clothes stay. You carry man go Nigeria. Is that done?
No.
My brother, you for ask her, she will tell you the case. This is not my difficult, you know. So I don't really get much to really talk, but I respect you as a man. And as I see your message in the, I think 3 days ago that night, in the morning, I have to call you. As I talk to you, so I won't resume work now. Till tomorrow morning, I'll come reach out fast sleep. You understand? A lot. If you see voice messages, my brother.
Okay, what's the one on now? What is really going on the contention? What did you want now from her?
Bro, I don't want nothing to her with her. I don't wish her no harms. I don't wish her no. I don't know how I want it done. I need nothing from her, but I just want to know if I'm the real biological father of the 2 kids which she gave me. That's all. The matter they call, as I tell you so. Do you understand? I just want to know if me be the father of those children. Do you understand? Or female, my own best of friend, my friend we don't eat for my table, for my house. I come meet her, the chat with this woman waiting for me. Secretly at about 11 o'clock, which I knew nothing about. This guy not informed me saying he know this woman from Adam. I knew nothing about them.
All this,
Bro, I agree with you, man.
all this you are saying,
I won't receive more.
all this way you talk, you get evidence about it.
Of what I'm saying, say that the chat.
See, all this one they cheat on you and all this stuff. You get evidence about it, right? You know, say,
Bro, voice message, everything there. I get everything. I want
you know why they ask? Because you see my platform, nobody carry case, come they win case. You understand? And
Umewan, you be person that I love so much. Nobody will, I see things where you they do sometimes at my leisure time. So I have waiting one thing when I'm really like this.
okay. Because
For
me,
example,
I hate
what am I going to achieve?
now waiting I stand against me, don't want adulterous, you know,
Okay.
cheating on your partner.
Okay.
That's my logo. You understand? That's what I fight against. This
What
show
thing will happen, my brother? It's almost 7 because we need to do this thing for work. We are begging. Just give me a break. Then I'm going to call you tomorrow.
okay.
Do respect, okay?
No problem. One
Yeah,
love. One love.
confess.
One love.
Thanks very much. Yeah.
Till today, he not call. Now, while down here, now listen. Because the way tired of walking here, you I would think I'm with your man. You see, since we talk, you say, woman leave her for us, carry man go Nigeria. You understand? So I just want to hear your own maths. Make I know your own plan. You understand? In all this, we talk so all na lie. Now me don't consider all na lie. The major thing we say, as this woman say no, they marry this man again. Now be the problem when the man gets. That's why I ask and say, what do you want from this woman now? Say one no, we say if na be the biological father of those children. Now you want to ask for a DNA test. You don't ask for DNA test of 2 boys when they born for you. You impregnate the girl, a born false pikin. When they begin their life, you know, when they begin they come alive, till they begin complete 1 year, 2 years, you don't ask for DNA test. You still go ahead, still sleep with the same woman, got pregnant for you again, born the second pikin, and now
It don't put me, thank God. Finally.
now you mute your side.
Mute first. You play all the rubbish record for
And now you want to ask for DNA test. You understand? Okay. Now you the dead woman, according to this voice record who listen now. You say the woman they cheat on you. Say if her constant cheating on you is getting out of hand. That's why you want DNA test. Right from when you start to date this woman they cheat on you. You don't leave her, and you know say you already get picky for bejo. You impregnate her, finish, send her go Germany. She still is Germany. She still continue cheat on you. The same woman when they cheat on you, they always they call you so that you come they assist her, come they come. The same one when they cheat on you, when they sick bola they knock all the time. Come they call you because your own bola and sugar. They call you, make you come they knock come they help her, and you sometimes you go come, you still come finish. You still know say this woman still they cheat on you. You go come out, go to bedjo, still come back from bedjo again, come still meet this woman. Now you even coming now without even notifying her. Say I dey come. Suddenly you go press, you go knock window, you go open door for you. The same one you know say they cheat on you. In all your coming to her house for good 4 years now, you never come one day. But also you know say this woman they cheat on you. You never come one day, come knock window, come say the man dey inside bed with her, and you say this one they cheat on you. The truth be say, as this woman say no want polygamy, you don't want you again. So the thing they touch you, say the woman will born 4 children, we born your first fruit, which is your boys. You want carry your boys down, another man call take care of, another man call become father to them. That jealousy. Now I be waiting the word this man so. Now for him to leave the woman, he better fulfill everything. Now the mindset of this guy, you only talk so. For him to leave this woman make she go with the boys, he better fulfill everything, better lose everything, lose the woman, lose the children. And these are evil.
So if you want use that this take hook up, that's the way you do. You want use that take hook down.
Umewan, my brother.
Go green.
Umewan. Ebu na Owadano. Odewo na Owadano.
Akabona.
Odewo na Owadano. Do away DNA. Na we amo maje koti. Now for you to call this man, okay, madam, la go monya mon, okay. Yeah, we DNA yo. Wait till you pay. Why till you pay hospital? Why we DNA? Okay, no, because we are not about we the matter record. Yeah, we DNA. Only me we are destroy okay a life a woman na keke okay.
Yes.
Money Ugwe be ose wa wo hiro ko ni winyin lele we ugwa destroy ko ni life wo ni wa we destroy ni mo wa mo kan ya ma we e me wa ya ta me we one story egbe no sun na osun da my virus your brother otewe your moko na ade webu your son so we na gwana ko na re Germany egbe ni sister na be wu no ya mi ebe wo kan otewe ni be wu be otewe pay go ni. The agreement of now is that in Mokani or a man idiot yo, but look for giver. Okay, do they be or do they not tell me? But again, I be on look for giver, Makwe not tell me look by the yo. Look for gay, Makwe, and I know see as your son, so he says, or even 7 now okay. Yeah, I'm matana they cut even the men not coming where near making na with DNA now in meme. You know, when I destroy life, okay? Why we destroy money life? Because you me money. All time ya so koni ya tamo today. Ote am going to go to stop koni. Osa ba kan wa we no tell me go kwa America be na gwana. Our not affect ye be Germany.
Okay.
You dey get the point so. Eni age boy na enu bia una my brother. La wo you sa boy me we. Ime we there with the gbewo because una won emi. Na mi ogun oriyoko na ebe na mi omo my brother we to bu we agwale onu gwegu se we mi gugu because in we be can all disturb you we
Exactly.
You understand so because do who need the DNA no make na do go ero mo na na je koti ba ayes wa wo na go pay go ke gwa we DNA wo hospital why pay go yo o go na gwi ekue but team we are social media and we are the court with DNA. My guy, what did happen? Now look what you want to do now. You be man now, you get now blood they work for your vein now, not be water. I beg go back, I beg. We use God beg you. Mostly me, around I use God beg you, I beg. Because of those students.
I feel talk now.
Beno, yeah, talk to us.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name na Becky, and I be this mommy hello younger sister. If una dey when she dey talk the story, na me she dey say help her buy land, dey send money give me to put for account, keep for him.
Okay.
Blood sister, oh. I come this life. Normally, I not go even come life when they do these things, but I come this life because my sister, even with everything where she talks, she still dey protect the man. She never tell you how useless this man be. If she explain well, you no go even wish this man on your worst enemy. The woman when they forced to marry, so there's nobody in my family that this man has not insulted. My mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, my aunties, my uncle, this man not in good terms with anybody. Yet you they forced to marry person for the family. I say this man has spit. You go spit her, you go match her for grand. I've been trying to call him for days now. He's not even picking my calls because me and I'm not even there in good terms. Like, it's so bad. Before I go into details, I want to play some of the voice notes where I know say my sister go even write from now. Because she still a protector, because now baby papa, Mafia did not protect her. This man is useless. Now this thing I make women not they help men. This life as a woman, you're not supposed to get soft mind, even if it's your husband. Reserve some in case. You are too soft. May I play the voice notes more than a year?
No be fault, he love the man.
Now love, they know they love man like that. Chelsea, this thing not loud. Oh God.
Don't worry, I go exit.
Wait, I don't wanna hold on.
No, I fit say that. I fit say na give bros Frank.
I want make the year. I don't want
We
to
dey
hold the
cry,
Bros
mommy,
Frank
no,
here.
not
Not
cry,
cry.
oh.
I don't want
Not
to hold the Bros
cry.
Frank here. Me everybody here, not be Bros Frank.
We are not your home where in Nigeria. The destiny no be a guy. Look, we have go by na say we so by. The baby mama ya fefe by. No be o tesi. We are not your home where in Nigeria. We are about the ticket ari. We are not your home where. No fi we lele. Oh, we do not know where we are blocking over. What this where? Me we had what trace to home. Thank you.
Not hear it, so I wanna hold on.
Well, thank you, baby. Thank you, darling, for all you have did. Wa did ye killing the Kekena. Then what affair na? We can ban over so we can ban over van.
This is too strong.
Woman, where you not put money for here though? Sarah, welcome. Mama Fedi dey protect her. Liar. With woman for your wife is even pregnant. They swear for person picking like this.
For woman when you not pay bride price, you know the shame. And your baby mama get belle oh. They follow this one nyash to nyash.
Get belle for you. When my dating get today, we will be any my dating get.
I bet pause.
Okay. Okay.
From yellow. From yellow.
Now me send everything.
From for bed job. What did they call that woman name?
I don't really know her name. Her name na P something, I don't know.
She don't even run come out.
I even write the woman for TikTok says she don't come out.
She don't run come out.
This man go come house, go hit my sister for the presence of the children. I told her save the evidence and take it to
for
court.
Go prison.
Everybody don't tell this my sister. Say throw this man out. So the extent will be say this man go dey house. We go call my sister. My sister go talk say he no dey. The man go quietly dey talk for there. That's how to show you. And my sister protect this useless man. This man go call my mom for phone. They curse my mom. Go call me for phone. They insult me all because we say me she leave and because why man? She go get belle. Only she go dey suffer for 9 months. Only she go hospital. The day when my sister carry her second baby reach house, the day when she born, she put her first baby for stroller to go buy water for house. Because water no dey house, he dey Belgium with another woman. If you wish this kind thing, if you talk say wetin this man dey do good, now wetin go happen to your family?
Yes, so now
wetin go happen to your family? Ishame no good run. This man is useless. This man go beat my sister. Use my sister phone knock ground. The children go there, they go dey look her. Imagine children being traumatized like that. She even dey talk about say they carry and go court. Now my sister suppose not carry this man go court since. If he carry you go court, show them the evidence of abuse. All the times when daughter hits you. None of your family, even your step brother, this man go call them for phone, they insult them. Not be you even find out say he get wife. Now my auntie even find out say he get wife for house, and this man insulted my auntie. Till today, this man they swear for my auntie because my auntie make my sister know say he don't born. Because my auntie make my sister know say he get wife. So much as in we go even as the thing even happen. Say my sister for Nigeria called this man mom. Say you know hear what your pikin they do. These children they not be your grandchildren. Your son they carry these children they go courts to collect their paper. If na mother say these children are your grandchildren, won't you try to protect them? At least call your son to order and talk to him. Man will not get anybody where they fear, where they respect, run from him. You don't get anybody where fit talk to him. run from her. That man not be
Say
man.
You want to again. You not
She don't want it again. Okay, now she don't decide. Say she and person talk say, but you still sleeping with him. If they dey in good terms, say he come today to come beg, okay, enter house. Whether she sleep with him or whether she not sleep with him, they are adults. She get right to do whatever she wants. But when an adult tell you no, I don't want, I am done. Respect their decision and rest. Most especially when you get your wife, you get pregnant woman for house. You get woman for house. So is it by force? And she not even go Nigeria with anybody. She go Nigeria alone with 2 children. You not buy ticket. I dey here. They know my sister. They suffer. They pay for all those things. This man not they support with anything. Sometimes if my sister they even they stress, they look for money. I go dey tell her say you no go call this man. This man useless. I mean, they take care of the children for that side. Your sister go say,
Hello, no, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Praise.
for help.
No, good
You see, I say she carry any man follow body.
Yes,
Not
good
be only she
afternoon.
and her 2 children come
Good
Nigeria.
afternoon.
No, good afternoon. No, good afternoon.
Make this lady even still
Hold
give
on, hold
another
on.
person urgent.
Hold on, no, good afternoon.
Yeah.
No, good afternoon.
Yeah, Mr. Priest.
Everybody. This our sister bring this matter on social media to find solution. We don't really know say while day. Don't be all this over the talk. At the end of the day, we'll talk. There's no solution. Now there's already a problem on ground. Now for us to give her idea, tell her what is on ground. The first, for me, I'm not getting interested in waiting cause quarrel, waiting not cause quarrel. Problem already taken between him with the guy. Yeah. Now, my sister, how old is the child? If the child, I believe the way you talk, the child is already like 8 years or so.
Yeah, exactly 8 years, almost 9 years.
The first child.
Yeah, almost 9 years.
8 child. And again, this yes. And the same man, you had the second child with him, right?
Yes.
His son, the father child.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Now, my sister, in Germany, if the child is more than 5 years, don't worry, let him go to court. He will only waste his time. If the child is more than 5 years, believe me, they will not collect the child passport. They will not do anything. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
Ask any lawyer, ask anybody. He can only go to court and waste his time. And again, now they will also ask him, now, why did you say you were the owner of the first child when you signed the father child of the second child? If we also have a problem there. So in Germany, if the child is more than 5 years, they cannot collect the passport from the child. They cannot do any other thing. Don't worry. Let him go to court. And again, if you go to court, at the end of the day, it will also be of a favor to you. Do you know why? If at the end of the day, you only say, okay, oh, you have something to do with the both men, okay. Okay, now, with the court declaration, he will be the legal father. Then he has to pay the child support. He cannot run anywhere. He has to pay then. It's of a good good thing to you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So it will be of big benefit to you. Let it go to court. It will waste his time. Ask any lawyer. I tell you again, ask any lawyer, ask anybody. If a child is more than 5 years, if it's more than 5 years, they cannot collect the passport or your document. Don't be afraid. This is what I want to tell you. Don't be afraid. Allow him waste his time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Please, can I say something?
Yeah, go ahead.
That is what I wanted to say. You see, when something like this they happen, insult not be always the solution, because we are here to find solution. Thank God for this man I just speak now. Because if they cause you, not me say you come back, come here, come they cause her back, or you come they say, see waiting me tell my sister. No, she's here to look for a solution, and that solution is more important than any other insult. Don't be the insult your sister, say nothing happened to your sister. So why now? My own waiting I want to talk for SIBC. This man know what they do. He not say want put this man for trouble. He don't say want put this man for trouble, because if not be trouble, if now what you want really do, and you not say I this man take there something. Why you not go Nigeria go ask for DNA? And why you not ask for the 2 children? We come be saying that first one that you want ask for. So this kind of person, I sense you sit follow, so that at the end of the day, 2 of them not go decide to support. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No, everyone, can I say something? I
ahead.
just to say one thing. If the child is more than 2 years in Germany, that means you don't have issue. just because of the way the things is going on now, their law, they're changing it. That is only the problem. Just you as a lady, relax and be praying. Let me tell you, when your child is more than 2 years, according to the German law, you don't have issue. You don't need to panic. The brother said something, he will only go there and waste his time. You take a good lawyer. What I will ask you to do now, try to ask the lawyer, just go and meet your lawyer, or you make a termine. You ask the lawyer if is there any risk or something like that. Just ask questions. Ask questions so that you can relax your mind. So that you do not develop blood pressure. Okay, just ask the lawyer. Do I have any problem? Would I have problem in the future and all of that? But let me tell you, according to Jamal, I've been here for years now. I can tell you for free. When your child is more than 2 years, you don't have issue. When the child is under 1 year, then you have problem. When it's under a year plus, you have issue. But when it's after 2 years, you don't have issue. Just relax. The Lord will help you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Please, can I say something? Please, can I say something? Please.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm at work. Sister, I will tell you, I'm a victim of this issue as I'm talking. So when the child is after, I'm a victim of it. With my lawyer, the man went there, he came there empty. What you want to do, take away your soft mind and be strong for yourself. Okay? So when a man like this came out for us, we just know what you need, just be focused. No time to cry. It's a time to focus. The first time I'm talking on social media, I'm saying it because of you. What you need is prayer. Be vigilant about your children. Take care of your children very well. Take care of yourself and leave the rest, okay? God will bless. I'm at work. I will collect your number and talk to you more. Bye.
All right, thank you.
Wetin me I get
Sit
to
down.
talk for this matter?
At least.
One after the other, please.
One.
One by one.
Na sweet wan talk, sweet one wan talk.
Yeah, sweet talk.
Wetin I wan talk for this matter? The lady get it, as in he get good contact with the person wey make am dey here at first. This is one thing you people should ask her. No be say the man just come out. Is she in good contact with that person that make her to be here?
Yes, I do. But the
Then,
man a
okay.
old man.
Oh yeah, wait, my sister, wait. If you get good contact with that man, na only that man, all those ones when the rest people just dey talk, those ones are just nothing. Na only that man get right to go there, even if say the man come out from nowhere. As far as he was here, he has paid tax for many years and all. Anybody can adopt dog in Germany. If you don't want to give birth, you can adopt dog. Then as far as that man, not be that man, not be combat. I better leave that one. If you don't go there, now still not be all the door for deport and go Nigeria. I don't see 4 of them.
Maybe wetin I wan talk,
So all those ones when they just talk to the man, one wicked guy, one wicked, all those ones are just wash.
Unless everybody wey dey Germany, all the mothers wey dey Germany, na few no come do wetin you do. You understand? Me that is talking to you, e happen to me. Now maybe they'll go carry my picture. You understand? But today I'm 17 years in Germany. You understand? My dear sister, me I tell you, no cry. You know what you do? That person, even though na old man, even rabbit, that they adopt am for Germany.
Adopt her your dog.
Me I tell you one thing, as if this thing be na that man, you supposed to closer to that person, closer to that person. Let that person be your best friend. You hear what I tell you so. Don't be afraid. That one they tell you. You understand? As e be say e wan make you cry, na you go cry the end o. Because after all, na that pikin still give am level wey take dey here. You understand? You go the suffer wey you want make you suffer, na you go regret am later. You hear wetin I tell you so? If it that man, the day of court, that man can stand. People don't say they go do breast test. The man will say he don't love the pikin. He go adopt the pikin. Nobody can frustrate him that pikin. Okay? May you not fear.
You know wetin the man talk put? For you, my sister, gather your men. Even maybe God wan open way for you, so you don't know. Because you know they receive money for that pikin. Well, let am carry you go there. If you reach there, they ask you question. Tell them they say you dey date 2 of them. You don't know na mistake.
You no even
Thank
need
you.
to talk that
You
one.
Good.
understand me? No fear,
I
no
want.
panic. They no collect the paper. Anything no do you.
You
You
no
and your
even
children.
need. You no even need that. I want tell her one story. You no need to fear.
Gather your memory, you get strength, they talk. Me, you
You
know
no
the
need
fear. You know
to
say if you
fear.
they talk, then they look your face for there. No fear.
See,
All
may I
right.
tell you
It's
one?
okay.
May
Sweet
I tell
talk.
you one
Sweet
story?
baby. Yes.
I beg I fit talk.
Now one by one. Now turn by turn.
Yeah, okay. But I want
Make
just
I
throw
first
one
talk.
light. I want just throw one light. Say,
Hold
and
on.
sister, no fear, no panic. They don't go take the paper. You don't already pass 3 years as that lady first talk. One thing, if
My
it can
brother,
go
you know,
court.
Mona not the
Wait, listen,
bros.
listen
Oh,
to me, listen to
Mona
me.
not
You don't know
use that
anything.
word. The
See, tell them for court. Say you are in friend the man, meet the matter and say
Hold
12
on,
now.
hold on, hold on,
Dating.
hold on. I beg una calm down.
That is
Small,
all.
small.
Nothing, no,
I beg calm down.
nothing. There the case.
You know the
You hear me, so
you
don't
know
pass
the
that one.
panic. You know the panic. Hold on. You know the panic. Understand?
Ah
The
yes, they'll
major
come give
thing
am
is
bill later. He go, let me papa now. I go dey pay the money now. They don't collect the passport. He go dey name. He go dey pay. No fear.
thank
See,
you.
may I tell
I
that
will
one
bring me
story
down.
wey happen. This story wey happen na the person wey even go put hand for the pikin na him go report say no be him get pikin. As dem reach court, dem come ask am say for years where you dey na now you come know say you don sign for the pikin, don sign for you go dey pay the entire thing you die. Dem don collect the paper from for the children hand. Dem don collect the paper for im mama hand. Dis man is still paying that children's money. 3 children, there was 3 children. He still paying till today. Na him go court go tell dem say no be born the children and no be really born am na him put hand, but till today government support the woman say for na you go sign say na your children, why you come now say no be your children, you no get right again, don pass, e don pass. You still pay that entire thing today, so you no need to fear, no fear again. The pikin don grow, na that man go run. If he reach there, you go still run go house. Na then if you fit win this case, na if you wan if you wan renew im paper, no ever sign for am to renew im paper. Dat im paper you go see kill am for im hand.
Wow. Thank you.
Hello, my sister.
Next.
Okay,
Fit talk.
abeg. I
make
wan
I
say me
talk
use
now.
una no
Abeg.
vex. I just dey
My
come,
sister,
no
if
dey
you
call
never
me.
Me
apply
too for
for
here now.
VAT,
I just want make
Madam, hold
I
on.
just
Start
want
time.
brief
Hold
make I
on.
know wetin dey happen. No be say I come meet you. Una go dey talk na go get to know wetin dey happen
No
na
be
make
you,
we
no be you
ask.
I dey talk to, no be you.
Okay. Abeg wetin happen meanwhile abeg explain small for me.
Okay, this boy see my platform so. The woman wey dey also mommy hello. Na him baby mama. This boy na baby papa. This boy also get baby mama for Belgium. Yes, sir. In a woman away. They not for Belgium. They not for Germany. So he wan marry two of them by fire by force. But this one wey be say he dey this Germany, so this hello also. Now he born 2 boys for her. Why they want dey Belgium born 2 girls for her? Even they get the third one herself. You understand? So now this one wey dey James, so he wan marry this one because he wan born boys. You know wetin be use boys, you know they use boys dey follow person play. So this one now fair promise na say if you know say you get boy, you fair born, abeg tell me you say you never fair born, you na virgin. You understand? Now take deceive this one, come wear this one to belle. So based on when the Germany you have your cow now, now they wear your boy. You understand? So now this same woman now give this boy document for Germany too. You understand? The boy now also this girl say no dey marry am again. Iya ya ka mo gbalegbe where money no ka oni. You need the DNA test iwo. I make that one no era. You understand? So when this kata the lala jana and this boy so all of the girl, all of the family, the girl boy akwen ya so to.
Okay.
So the rest of more by the girl with the girl ya get. You know when man look for when they look for one excuse. They don't want to back up your plan. You understand?
Okay. That first child dininya. Ọmọ mi ọdí ó bọjọ o. Bẹ̀tì yàn yàn.
Yes.
So yìí yẹn ká mi gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀tì náà wẹ̀ ọmọ ọdí ó bọjọ ní ẹ̀ẹ́rá.
You have come now your era, your wife the father.
Okay. Only the girl.
Ye tamiyan already. We here tamiyan.
You have me
Okay,
yani.
Tamiyane. Only the baby mama gi mo ajina we gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀tì ká mi ebe.
Yes.
Obviously, that is the new law. Yeah, I have been why did they deceive her? When we the person in charge, when we unless we not concrete evidence.
You understand me now? Because when we are when German locator where we no be wa vi be ani la diani ma at why it all John mama kana re be ni ya wina ni ya me ya gba ore money ni ya me ya gba wa. But most of our women here were very honest. They will just keep it a so ya go padre on ya. The phone go with the government go ya ma ho. Yeah, yeah, for yeah, fear for the last week. Government we are man, you know. So it's high time. I can my educational background with social media now to educate other people. Most things that have to do, mostly when they Germany, you understand. Once a man ya tell work your money your nyai. Not your boy Johnny ye. Or colors not as no, but I mean it all less more ye wanna. You care or you with some. Or one less money ya your nyaro body boy. Gọọmenti gị sụ akpọle ya n'inya mori la di na we ha we DNA yo muna o egele we DNA bana na egele mi o ye no wodo ha we e ga friend na e bo na ya vie pour la di ban ni ya so e ya gwalo to te fun ko ri ya fefe we me ga so le jemi na so we no wa pray do wa make a peace or wa make a peace ne no make na wa end because e ga na gele pole o me na polo na drag e o ma de no ya bai e ba busti ya mi ebeni to start with iya ka me no do apé un tight been study tabawe the Ghana wa do apé un tight give for 3 children e lo re wo no guide mo guide do guide baby father e lo ya ro settle go
But ọmọ na go kana gbe okay gba 9 years.
o re no gba 30 years ọmọ gba 30 ọmọ are 30 years adi son e we mo bi ọmọ e government ye ri boyo wo we era wi di son we wo wi ayi be mi ọmọ ni government mu we ma mi e je mi
Okay, well je ke do ade ọmọ na ke do 170. Why not?
Umi and father no ko do ga ri ele hello
Oh, Kona Marielle, because the second child of Kona Marielle of the father shouted the second child.
Yeah, the second child he had a bene boy na.
He said,
Me understand the story now. Ija, amate why second child he bene waka. The first one he kabu go na go yon nya.
What's the answer the first one from the beginning?
Oh, we can government say don't even accepted, but the woman man na be. Oh na ya dera yo. Yo funny.
Maka iga mebe, e kata iga mebe Italy. Iga mebe.
Sister, we me kata Italy.
Egwu, sister Ero, Egwu, sorry. Obe otanu no na Egwu Franco. Obe mi oparo sister Ero me no town sabo adebawe. Whether we should not be deceiving our brothers or our sisters to fall for problem. Sister, we will go make kata Italy according to you. Damn you always say, oh damn you say, I'm not Gucci. We go make kata Italy. What ya where ya dera your mom. Egwu. According to you now.
Any because the man in Italy, so anything you may man is my choice.
No, madam, damn you, sorry, continue.
Sa, o magumete o due matana. Ye we have kata di sojourno. Kata di sojourno evamio kata 5 years. Tempo indefinato. Wame kata 5 years. A Germany will not allow you to stay here. Number one. Wame tempo indefinato. Umani di nudera your mom to start with. All you just need is just to get somebody to do resident for you. You start your work, you have your children.
But then I was pregnant already when I came here. I was almost 8 months gone. This same and they agreement in my van. I said, ma, if you not agree to it, then you tell the woman, say, no, I don't agree to this thing. So why did you agree to it?
Sister, Mujane, I agree when we go there your mom.
Of course, you're connecting. You're connecting there.
What's the name?
What's any anakun? I don't understand you.
Sister, hold on. Who we are what to tell me we ke do bioka bikpoge we me obe na le lo ko we.
Sister, I biomu poge vaneke e go mo oka e de bie de.
Hold on.
Sister, want to know what I want.
Sister is okay. Sister is okay. Let me advise you.
Hold on.
What am I trying to say? Wait. One area can always father shaft. They can always go race 50-50 now. We or era area be no more. What say Lani? no, or mona, no, really, no, I don't have father shatina. Usane, your way, we are the passport in there. Oh, every time I wait, or mona, there are 2 years in there. Women, and when you get where anything on the left here, you will face it because the here no question they are attacking it. Everything is your system. Here no where you are the my way you can't see to your money passport. Only the get anywhere but when you say that yes in your way. As a way man your lads where your money if when money are you like then it take time. Okay, ọsìnì àti ẹtì mi ò passport.
Sister Naira. Sister, sorry, Maro Germany. 45 years in the Germany.
France.
Frank,
one after the other.
The new law is what we are talking about. Now, every time a lawyer changes in Germany, or the lawyer
Mama Erita, only Matanita, we last year, one of him is soon now.
My sister working where I'm not a revoke of document.
Where would me talking now, even in myself, the passport of your women, man, abonnement, recalling, I am bad Italian. When they talk government.
Yeah. Quiet.
When you talk,
yeah, buy a couple near blame because yeah, back up where I don't want back.
I met Anna. Yeah, so the fault and the law I got dragging here. So I know the I'm not even against it. Whether Udera or Madijio is not my business. My business now is that I don't buy BioVJ.
But so, Mame, don't take me on our way.
Forget it, my darling sister. Forget.
Did you tell me from there?
Mama,
you
don't you let them my way.
Forget
him. Hold on.
I don't like your BioVJ, but at least you go
Frank,
you don't like
let me
so
advise
much.
you as a sister. Forget whatsoever this man have did. Okay? Who is on my cocoa, then I hear cocoa.
Okay, you're not taking
So, just endure it. Everybody,
Frank, we're muti and
where?
Uwe last year, when we can. Uwe last year.
Last year.
Because but
why you come where? I madam bear rest. Oh, what the also the what not good man maybe do. Madam bear rest. Okay,
my sister,
rest. Yes, so that
my sister Mudia, my sister Mudia, my sister, Mudia.
Mommy,
my sister
has the problem. Please hear me.
Wait, my sister.
Hear me.
When you hear me, we hallelujah court. Dear me,
yes, it's very better. The solution is that you did I wrong this person. Now you lied to me.
My sister, wait. May I tell you one thing, Ni wata mata ovye doki ni wata mawe hoa wa egwe ni atana my sister Emma no hawe wa je court go win eze ye de ma tiya wa pe wo igbo iya wa pe wo ye single mother school
But I've been with you for 8 years.
My sister Damiome, my sister Damiome,
Yes.
the man now hand where you single mother or when you marry where. What your monarch when you marry who not be me vani or Biani Ebispe. My sister, there are some things
But
who
then I
gave me
want
so where
to
Damiome. My sister, listen to me. My sister, listen. Let me tell you, my sister, oh, Biana so will knock up Biane. I on we are married who no give her. No me a book will not give her. Number one, reason in your power. I'll give Franco Mujao. Ọmọnu wẹ bie niye enye ya miebe enye uwe ge inye respect we wọ se winye miebe ona we amare we. Bros, I don't talk to you, bros. See, not be you they talk. I don't talk to you, bros. No mute boy on out here.
Ọmọ wẹ yẹn máa ò nìyẹn máa rẹ ọmọ náà rọwọ tọgbù yẹn máa ò nìyẹn máa rẹ pa mẹni náà sí ẹnu bí ẹrẹ náà ká
Sister, walk carry your word or walk carry your word or ọmọ náà rọwọ tọgbù wẹrẹ pé Maria.
ọkẹ tí wàá nọ ẹgbẹ bọ sunu wọ sí ẹ.
Sister, mute buene. Sister, sister, we mute we mute bue. Uwe wa ma gba wo sare. Uwo ko no ro wodo wi yen ku wo carry you wodo. E ba ya la wodo.
Go support this to enter program for Jenny. Mona no support na
for Jenny.
Yagiyan ọsẹ ní n'agẹ́bù gbọ́dọ̀ sọmọ ọsẹ ní n'agẹ́bù gbọ́dọ̀ ọyìn n'agẹ́bù
gbọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ rí ẹnà wíyẹn tó tayọ ẹni arọ́pá ló gbọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ rí ẹnà wíyẹn tó tayọ.
ẹ̀rí ènìyàn ẹ̀ ọ̀nà rẹ̀ sí gómìnà for good 8 years abeg don do.
abeg Rita if you know wetin good for you born girl wey be ọmọ kò wúri yẹn lè gbọ́ pé àná nà ọ́ mi. Metamu where we may people give and they make it fine and you don't understand this whole thing. You just jump into conclusion.
Yes. Mona leave her now. She needs peace of mind. She don't need quarrel now.
Everybody go down. This romantic. Why me me na we me look why to talk. What's the platform na ni ya ti kele. I did why me ya ti violent. Why worry? Wa be wa wasi. Wa ya kada o. Para egbe o. Wa to. Abi wa o. Akoyo. Yes. Because ọ̀pọ̀ ó nyàngànyàngànyàngà náà ẹ̀dẹ́ yóò fi yẹn ẹ̀dẹ́ wo yẹn ọkọ̀ bàtà wọ́wẹ́ wọ́n kọ̀ náà balẹ̀ wọ́wẹ́ you understand ìmọ̀ mi yẹn lọ ọkọ̀ bàtà wọ́n kọ̀ náà balẹ̀ wọ́wẹ́ first thing ọ̀tọ̀ nínú ẹ̀wẹ́ where you for wrong this man according to the fear you go after about where you must marry her you might work all those kinds of things bí ayé àmàrè òsèlóbùa it is better you be a single mother and be alive and still with your children than being married and die in marriage. If you know what I'm going explain what you're not doing. Okbera marry, okbera no no you joy no respect or respect you or respect it no matter how harsh okbera you must have maximum respect for that family. Okbera insult you when me Oga time egena e boy na ya fa if I see for road or ignore them my boy for even insulting my mother okonu my mo yo hu ona be on credit give you 2 boys on credit and you still have the guts if you no give here what peace we want for national peace to reign here no matter no if I here lies work for national peace to reign for you having that mind who cannot tell boni jime we because of the bien ama biose na de agbe webu ama biose gbona kan wajo na no wara wo da voice record no tun ga pe bon ona mu ebo go bi be fa nu we when you are forced to marry we am ebogbe you just sit down for your house think for your head say this ogona ya ge o ya no wo le lo ko wa Nigeria pere na be Germany o ku ke mu le bi Nigeria You did not investigate your issue where una so wa frame me nya ko no bi omo no we. E gbok bia na o ko na lo ko stop bia o ko na ti star be wa yo wa. O gbeju wa ko pa. Now, what's the that no rejemi, no rebejo, that no rebejo na ho wa. O ko no wa bi no bia na se wo we be then na zuwa. What's the man force on no marry oni? And I me no we don't marry because you know what you are benefiting from this one. So or make one more or make be no wa bi we na or we wa more. No do be we bejo on your more. You see how some women are useless. All right, more book when on rebejo ni ula wo yo wa. For this shame and disgrace alone, you are abandoning the first person who can be anywhere. Where you marry a side chick. This woman is a side chick to you. No can be anyone is the real wife. Now you are not because one of you there. We are really married. Then we say the real wife ya ye bejo. Tony Zua. Only say use and dump. Only a neck buluni hinia. Only nice a single mother who you no be beard and winner. Una abandon on me with 3 children. Why don't marry no with force, with pride. With pride though. You see how this one of the talks to? Why government in Deutschland? Why lawyer? When you need to go now, see government in the Gubana. When you boom, what back in the court with Jimmy. Where are you Benua? What back in the court? Bet one the law, latest law on Canada with Jimmy. What go out the law? You let me a time of woman away. Take a lawyer, fire your case. Now head to head. You never boss the advice. I frustrated men. Ni Jimmy, ni Siboroko train station, ni very budenier, fellow friend, ni very budenier. All those who are not, they don't know themselves. You understand? You might make me on. Una the reason documents. Una the reason the force. What is the force? What is this idiot? Why you still marry this woman? We want to marry this woman. The lie, when they lie against this woman. When they are here anywhere, don't know him maroni. Umamwe red hand. We took the away. Walk anywhere. Umay pay breakfast your home. We made them marrow. You are oppressing her. Using a very authoritative man. You understand why we're married order? Where you used to go feed drink water drop cup. She go feed drink water drop cup. No so we never whatever bola we be. No you web the way me. Useless man. And now ik be a done. The yosagik be do. And I be a done. The yosagik be son. I was some. They will know that the bad ones, they are the one bringing shame and disgrace to the Asian people. No, Agbon. Oh, arere, aya maroku, arere. Ekuma arere don't see a bit of beer. Arere, aya maroku. It is the happiness you give to a woman. Before yes, I do. You think it's a joke? There are things care of Bolose, oh, Yamarobia. Woman cannot pass it, oh, Yamare. The way we are the local, the way we are a piece no money, oh, we get away, will you marry? Oh, yes. As stupid as you are. Una monya egboku ana yoku egbokbia na yoku egboku una monya mo giye wa. You think you here to production where you leave the father side who you are supposed to go see and beg for marriage. They are now oppressing the woman. Okay, go away. If you can marry ona mi manyo. Oga mo je here to anyoni. I swear to God. Because of my can't anyoni go bugi jeni. In tradition, as a tradition, or my can't. Or Mugi, then you have the voice to say that. You understand? So don't try to be oppressing this innocent woman. Wajare no bieno no kubiena. Ogone wiyeku. Ogoyeku. I will use the title. You let the woman be. Let the woman be. This nyama. No, we'll see the fact day, where the truth day. So all this insult, where this boy just insult this woman says, I never see anybody for this flower where I help you come up. Where you talk about her. Where you say this boy, you are a beast, you be animal. Be recorded in what Why is this go do what the document? Who document help? And I came a document. That is set to Germany at Italy. I bounce back at Italy. Fuck Italy, Germany give you a stress. You come to the start for square zero. What a document. This animal. I talk with not one of my matter on social media. They talk like bear is there. Do you think this will come out social media? I didn't know you don't say no. I get it no. Because when I buy or yeah, you want it. How can a man who had your way away a baby man who pack bottom you there? Who your way I put the dynamic motor? You a home where you have two boys who pack motor where I will you there. Where you working out you are. A lot of dubious, negative, evil character. Which reasonable woman who could not in the banner. No, you are. This is an animal. A banner yaki who very fridge. In your soup. These are men that have evil mind that will just sit down and frame. Since or we have evidence to give evidence I don't see. Prove I don't see. Call I don't see. I call you the lie to me. In a quarewe, who gag yogeni, who want it back, who act by loge yoga. But when I make walk by yoga, who have a test your mojo, who give her, oh, we always want to just want to date. Oh, when I get una yare we all know we're not being man, no Asian man would know say in your girlfriend you cheat on her. You go see continue on la lie. Especially when the girl they do once again. Now let those days we say our girl they hustle, they go hustle, they go see the friend of our boys. Our boy because the money we don't get the bill, they go see the friend them. Now at this no being man, no Asian man go say make you girlfriend. Especially we don't even born. You know they agree. You know they. Who does that? You even say your woman they cheat on you say to buy ear. Now you shame on you. You that's nearly shame. Now let's all those central men. Then they do all those things. I when I'm winner. All those the book bear webu. I need to believe you go. Or see a bit of walking here. Or you go. Or get friend here my girl you go. God forbid. But oh what gonna him? Then they could mind it be. We the then where go bela of course. If don't know, man go say. Who ever bela wa? Women without integrity. You will never self-discipline. You say you don't want my gun. See the fuck. Yeah. Woman, when you go drag people for house, man, they insult your husband, your mama. You still allow the man to enter your house. See, because you want me, your father, the children to know their father. Which kind of father they don't? It's not father that have brain that your kids will understand. It's not father who be say they get integrity. Now your children go know a useless father. A father who have no self-respect, father who have no self-discipline, who have no home training. This guy has no home training. He's a blind civilian. Oh, what bon? Almost ja. We're very lucky. Isaac Boué, Isaac Belubiwe. Ogmok Baze. Okoduma marry you. Why the pressure bewa? Tell us about how this one lost to die. Hey, I don't happy. Hey, they never do that. I don't. Nonsense. I will bully. Inside has bully or social media bully. Inside has bully. Inside has pain. Frustrating a woman. But the same you go in prison. You come out of prison. This is a woman house. Then they give you house arrest. The one with the bed you cannot come to the house. That's a woman who for your bed. It's also an evil woman. Oh, we're not being with the bed you down once it's well. Yeah, Asaboro. Since Asaboro know that woman, I want to know that woman. That useless woman will born for you. For you to move from bed, come meet you for Italy. Stay for your own baby mama house. You know. It was so what this una get mad do. So you go man my think with it no that guy river son you. Person who me get mad do. I fear women see. Fear no fear woman. She just dey born for you codedly. Why this one they from saying that my husband? Now his sister want to meet the family for Bejo. Oh yeah, meet up with Bejo. It be my what to Richard. For this guy, this guy good. This guy just get better luck. One for Bejo, one for Germany. And this week Bejo, next week Germany or Ga. Oh Pakara. You want married two women, you don't get character. You want married two women, you don't get character. It's easy for abroad. for abroad. Okay, you want that polygamy, you know, where they inside the polygamy, you know how we tell a day. You know the bass goes what they tell our head with a lawyer. See, no woman will not jealous of. No woman will not jealous of this life. But to hold them, you need to bring yourself down. Clear loyalty, follow them. If not, yeah, back to your home. It's less but you are them way. If I can't have them way, I fried double way. You the foot of traditional man. How can that happen? Cheating on you. What our mother do those days? That by our father, it cannot happen. Even you use your mouth to say it, you're the poor abomination for the woman body. You see, this is how some men they see our women finish. Women without self-control. I don't want awa. Or God, I'm not the marry you again. As you don't make a by saying you cannot go into polygamy. Okay, fine and good. Settle with the man. Another marriage is simple. If you want to see your children, go meet government. Now go fix date when you go to see your children. Very simple and clean. Move on with your life. It's simple. You get your own life to live. He gets your life to live. Nobody carry you come abroad. Every answer with a kettle. Then you come become bone for your neck because you draw 4 good years. Oh, but we marry. What you go away? They'll suck coming away. What away? Oh, but we marry. Oh, go away. What go away? What go away? No, you get a bed. You bed. You get a but we marry. They call you who dare is your baby papa. How dare you? How you expect me that better man to get your man go if only your baby on? Una go the two kind things will be say person if just more down now. Man deal with you for house. You they receive another man call for phone. That one they ask you who be that one. It's not your baby papa. You just baby papa they happy say you they receive another man call for phone. You say the man go they happy. You see you look the man like fool. When you know the kind of man what you born for. Say now, man, you can't even get the man. Say now, baby papa. Okay, if you can't stab you instantly, shoot you die for them. You foresee social media today can't talk. Make sure I do this right. If you are saying yes, let your yes be yes. If you say no, let your no be no. That word when you tell yourself, you know it's not the biggest risk so far. Now you take for the place of that man. The biggest risk. Even seeing all the sign when the man they give you say in a beast, you go come out, you go hang for root. They carry phone. They ask your children, did this uncle come to your house? Did your mommy bring man to the house? You're supposed to know say this man an animal. It is better you if you don't tell me for go report to police. Give her years from your house. This kind of man they go thief to the local around. But we not get sense. Price they don't pay. Introduction not do. But they drill you like say you are a married woman. They deal with you like say you don't pay your bride, they don't count you for a lap. You don't even know your rights as a woman. Don't put to speak English or maths. Action you don't fit take. Well, I think you can't be a honey. Make an sense. That nonsense. These are the kind of men that they use as a scapegoat. You use it as a scapegoat. Let them say, now woman get Germany. Not be man. Women I get Germany. How much they invest me? Where are low? And many for a women placed like that. For that Germany, we say men they use it like scapegoat. They use it like animal. Man never pay your bride price. They call her la lezer da a bride price is your mammy. Introduction your mammy. Why what the menuwa? All those women go deform me. My traditional man. I'm a traditional man. Tradition, you know, bride price never pay. Go deform traditional man. Near ya this week with my obu. Nonsense. This man, you don't help him rich. Not because you want to go, you may go court. If you win over court, you go face the consequence. If you win you face the consequences. So that next time you go learn. That's why I always say life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. In case of next time. Because why they do this one now? Because you give her that rope. You draw closer to yourself. He gathered you for hand, recorded you, screenshot what you want screenshot, snap what you want, go for to start and keep as evidence to fight against you. To fight against you. Not be every man that they marry. There are some madman. You don't marry a madman. You dump a madman. You marry a husband. Husband that get have feelings as a human. You go do something, you go do that. Honey, I'm sorry. Now that's kind of man they marry. I already know one that we're planning on how to kill you. We'll be laughing with you. We'll plan how to kill you. We're going to dig your grave. We're going to laugh with you. We're going to fuck you. We're going to dig your grave. When they use brain. And also, not get good heart. Not get good heart. But when they use brain, when I know when to say no and when to say yes. Let your no be no. Let your yes be yes. Now, what did they happen to you? Hello, yellow. Now that one will be your problem. Not be the other thing. Because this animal cannot use you. If I go on and slay the crow, there are some men when my man not train well for house, but they are abroad. Now you will be their girlfriend go train them. Hear me and hear me loud. See, all women when they listen to this word, una need to train man with action and discipline. There are some biscuit men. Their brain are biscuit bone. Ijema cooking as a wa. A pampaya cooking area. So they look women like shit. They don't get respect for women. If you meet that kind of man, deal with him. Flog him. Make it forget sense. Like back we will not see a kegbe. No make it happen why. A lot of our men for not get sense. Some of us they not get sense. They don't believe say if he use my head, turn upside down. You get what they want finish. They go deal with you that they wouldn't like. See, nobody they useless. The women, they get their own right. The men get their own right. If you want to marry a woman, bring your ego down as a man. Bring your ego down. If you raise your ego, you will suffer for women have for abroad. Now me talk, my friend talking. Any man where they misbehave for woman, when I deal with them, when I put them in prison. May go kiri, may go learn. May go learn. Women are soft to handle if you know their way. So when man, they do gabu. Sister, call government. May you not go die small pikin. May you foresee I take care of your children. Not look say, sister, I happy with your baligbe. You want your baligbe now? Or does how can you do for abroad? Woman, you know your dog. You put on once. Oh, but no man go or back book it better where I do the backward back yiki or the candle with clear. Or don't go away. Or what you want to be poor while you win a poo poo. What's the name you for? What's the name you for? What's the name go family with anyhow? You gonna talk the family anyhow because you put yourself like that. If you are expensive, it will treat you very, very expensive. If you are cheap, it will rob you for potato. It go rob you for potato. Package yourself and know yourself as a woman. Know yourself, know your right as a woman. And also be not the handle man with care, play love with man. But when the man become a bully, become an animal, treat him like a police officer. Let him say, since he's an animal, you go tell us you be officer, you go deal with her, you go drill her. So that I wear clear. Or a mule or or na pampa hoe, or na go or a yoku, I go you wear women. Understand? All treat you when I treat him. A when I treat him, you don't have to treat you. Which woman not go happy if they treat women like say they treat breasts? They're going to be happy, they're going to smile. You don't see any woman with the massive breast, you go to cry, you go to shout. Why do you not be me van? Why the airbox? Why you not going to no kuni? Why a boy are finishing from the kuni? And that kind of woman you want marry? Hey, I don't understand some men. No, or guy, you need to go wise. See where you put your hand also. Guys, do work. Yeah, baby, the joke. This one an introduction. See this way I carry a woman console, make her talk. Thank God if she don't use a man talk the word here. Now introduction this one. May they know where we can do there. If they know it. Who will hear him in family yaleka? Who you want to apologize to those family around? Family not be me van where. But when I didn't want to money cup on here. You see how the gods of insulting the woman. How dare you? Or is it not a bejo stop biano? Or is it not a bejo? Eto or biano? Igbiage bejo. Near what beke that work. Or twerk, or twerk, that work. When you get your money, one magic mago. Near talking, we are Italy, we are Italy, a talking, what a Jimmy, a talking. Or twerk, or shake your body to bejo. Was what we are, man. Umobie. Nonsense. Make I bring my women up because I just look and see what my king we know we know your son of a man. Or say what you want to have your name. If you want what?
Abeba. Oh, you're my brother Frank Umewan, oh God. That is my personal person.
I just do.
You don't be sporty. Go your okay. I baba boko bawe. E wa ya fefe do ni amunya we ya afia wo ni Jesu. Go your. That will go gunyagwa because a lot of men, I don't know what is wrong with them. I don't really know what is wrong with them. Because iyan ibun ya mwede de gboto. Ya boru ya gwe ya reti go ya. Ya kabati ni yaji. In the short, my brother wa gunyagwa because sometimes I always talk to them my platform too. Because so I can imagine where no very you born away ya fe ugi on me from there na we do have you we do am por we am that you have here me ne kwemu. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
For abroad. I want to let them suffer the mass by
Wabota.
I must greet you, Mommy Triple.
Mewen. Wese budenu wari. Nuri ekpe babana. Wagele gwa. Weteme yafune. Emi okpani maya like emi vie wi mawo. Okwo ga wi omodo. Force. Force. Okwo na to boy pa yo wodo re ya ga tie bone. Amaro kparo no wodo hiari ni no okpana. Okay, omana be pa, why be do atie boy bo uva no mana pa. We no be ama. Abe mana have do ata. But no, but begging writing on the wall. But again, when you but why encourage give a hope well, mu real adiavo. They not go do that one. They go they say first. You must marry. Marriage a first in Noah. Everybody have his own life to live. When you are not happy, nobody can give you happiness. You give yourself happiness.
Exactly.
Marriage is sweet. If marriage is sweet, you not go come out there. You die there, no? But if you know say this killing you, if you want to go out, go out. Live your life the way you want. Everybody, you have your own life to live. But when you guys encourage it, you beg, you see all the old error, get out of there. Don't stay there and kill yourself. Don't waste your life for anybody. Both man, both women. Don't waste your life for anybody. Nobody wants your life. You own your own life. Your own happiness matters. I'm not my run or happiness in a warrior negboe. Well, total negboe, yes, where I am, never not supposed niage. Then you live. Then the only thing in my may encourage you for you to be a sensible single mother. Take care of you when negbe. That is just all. Advice no man here before you meet the next person.
Una good morning. I want to talk